All right, hello everybody. Today we're here in Toledo at this, I don't know what it is, this little railroad spot, train museum type of thing.
Hi, plants.
Here, you gonna say hi?
Hi, plants.
It's actually a sunny day out here today, huh? It's crazy.
I know how to climb the ladder. Whoa, a cool train. These are the train stoppers.
Yeah, that's the train stoppers. Oh, look at this old one.
Wow. It's not moving today.
No, obviously it's not moving, goofball.
It's because the track's not fast.
Yeah. You wanna get up? Hold up. Yeah. Give me a second. Oh, look, they make it so you can see right inside there.
Cool train.
Josh likes it.
I ran out of telescopes, Dad. I ran out of telescope oil.
You ran out of telescope oil?
Yep.
This way, goofball.
Telescope oil helps me not waste. Can I pick this block up?
No.
Why?
Josh, come on.
Backpack, please. Get my backpack on.
Yeah. It's a pretty cool place. Hearing the trains and stuff. I kind of have always been.
Hey, wait for me. I got my backpack on.
Okay. The little guy has found his backpack.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, it's like a little
What?
train worker rail thing, I guess. I don't know. Look at this little crane, Josh.
Uh-huh. I think this is a checkout train thing, Dad.
The checkout train thing.
Yeah. Those are cool wheels, Dad. They're all rusty.
Yeah. They're all rusty.
Wow, this is pretty hard wood.
Is that pretty hard wood?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's cross right here.
Cool hook.
It is a cool hook. It's a
Yeah.
crane. I wonder what it does. I wonder there's not a sign here for it.
I think it's pretty old.
Yeah, it is pretty old. Huh.
Hey guys, if we start rusting, nothing will happen?
Yeah. Well, it's tetanus or something like that. Come on over this way, Josh.
I think rust.
Oh, this one's from
I think it's like rusted stuff water. Dad.
Caboose Bay.
There's a chain here, Dad.
There's what?
There's a chain here with a yacht on it.
There is a chain there with a lock on it, huh?
Yeah, I think because that's a train for kids to check out.
It's a chain for kids to check out.
No, I think this train is just a train for kids to check out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wow. This is pretty hard. No, another piece of wood.
Yeah.
Here.
Hey, look at what? Look at this one.
What?
This one's from Caboose Bay.
Whoa. This stuff can't move anymore.
You can't? Yeah, it probably can.
Yeah, I think it's just too heavy for my hands. This is a train car.
Yeah, it is.
Daddy, let's go check out the. Hey, Daddy.
Look at this box car. This one here looks like it's got a hole in it right here.
Yeah. Yeah. It's dark in there. It's got a hole in it, Dad. I think that means that this got crushed by someone banging it, Dad.
By someone banging it?
Yeah.
Is that what it did?
Uh-huh. There's an old donkey. I don't want to get on that.
Nope, don't get on that.
Why?
How about you jump down over here? Boom!
Oh,
There you
that
go.
was scary.
Was that scary?
I was about to stick my head on the wall. There's a caboose.
Yeah, well, let's go check out the caboose.
I think this is gonna be fun.
Is it going to be fun? Oh, look, this is an old,
What?
this is an old mail, United States Mail Railway Post Office.
Huh? Ooh, are those trains?
Huh?
Ooh, are those trains?
Yeah.
Train first takes me to a bullet, and then the chain wraps up in the bullet.
I guess so.
And then there's fleas going all over the place.
Is there fleas?
Yeah, there's fleas going all over the place.
Well, I think this place was actually, I think this is a museum that you can go inside of. The Caboose. It's the Caboose, Josh. Look. What the hell?
I bumped on that mouthpiece.
Look at this little engine.
This is a cool thing, Dad. This looks like the train from the train game, Dad.
It does look like the train from the train game, huh? Why is there's not more information?
Hey. This train's old, Dad.
Yeah, these are all old.
Yeah,
It's like
I think they're the checkout trains, Dad.
they're just checkout trains. That's what they are. Don't go up there.
Why? Why, Dad?
Cause
What?
don't go up there. Look at that. These are the new ones, though. I think these are waiting to be loaded. Look at that graffiti.
Where's the piece of trash?
Ew.
Put it on the trash.
Look at that graffiti right there, Josh. That's pretty cool.
That's a trippy oil waterway there.
That is what?
That's trippy waterway there, tripping from the underground of the train. Wow, what does that say?
I don't know what it says. It's pretty cool.
I think that says graffiti loading.
Graffiti loading.
Uh-huh. This is where the spray cans get loaded. Because it's a spray can train car.
Because it's a spray can train car. Yeah. Look, now you're stuck on that side.
What am I going to do?
Oh, there's a train coming, Josh. Better get off the track. Did you hear that? That was a train horn.
I got off the tracks quick.
That was a train horn crossing a...
What?
That means it was crossing a road.
I think it's crossing.
I don't know which road.
It's crossing the one about to get on this track.
Yeah, I think it'll be traveling on this line. Oh, this place is pretty cool. Josh seems to love it. What's this little thing here? Let's go see what's...
These are some vans.
The Loose Caboose Cafe. Huh.
These are the old ones, Dad.
Yeah, these are the old ones. That's an old steam engine.
Another shiny train, Dad.
You saw what?
Another shiny train. That had wood all over it.
Yeah. I wonder when this is open.
No, don't go in there. Look, it's closed.
I know it's closed, goofball. I can see that it's closed.
Oh, this is actually reactable. I thought that's edible.
Oh, yeah. Well, you want to go check out this little train down here? Yeah.
You can also check out the interior.
Go check out the interior.
Well, this is a good interior, man.
Is it a good interior?
Uh-huh. I think this is another checkout train.
Another checkout train?
Here's the oil car.
Yeah, you can crawl through it. Into the caboose.
Yeah. It's gonna get way cool. Okay,
Go ahead, go through it.
Okay, I will.
Oh.
I don't want to go through it. It's cool in here. Okay, here's me the caboose. Choo choo! Choo 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 choo!
If you can't tell, Josh loves trains.
I'm in the oil car, Dad.
Are you in the oil cart?
Can you see me?
Well.
Hey, you've been right here on the cat spot.
On the cat spot?
On the cat spot.
Ring the bell.
What's it, Dad?
Ring the bell. You gotta pull the string.
String's coming. Choo choo. Choo choo.
Yeah, it is a pretty cool spot to visit, especially for Josh. He just loves trains. I'm gonna stress how much he loves trains. I don't know what this thing was. Wish there was more more information. Oh, there is. It says look, lift to learn. Oh, it's called a disconnect, huh? Oh well, saying that's what it looked like before they restored it. This one's cool. Well, I think that's about the end of the video, guys. It's a small little park. It's definitely worth checking out if you're in Toledo. Yeah, it's definitely worth to check out if you're here in Toledo. Huh. It says 25 cents. Oh. Do I even have a quarter? No, that didn't do anything. Where's it coming from over here? Oh, it is. Coming from this speaker right here. That's what that did. That turned on that speaker. Oh, it's got this thing going now too. Oh, lights are going. That's weird. Alright, anyway, yeah, like I was saying, definitely worth a check out if you're here in Toledo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If so, like, subscribe, leave a comment, do whatever it is you do. And hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Josh isn't with me right now, so maybe Josh will say bye. But yeah, you guys have a good evening, morning, whatever time it is where you are. See you on the next one.